Hey Team V.
Hey Team V, today we have a marshmallow and toothpick challenge. We are going to build a shelf for our elf.
My elf.
And my elf. This is a challenge that you can do on your own or together as a team. Or you can do it on your own first and then join together as a team. All right, so we have small marshmallows, toothpicks, and large marshmallows.
Let me get one.
Well, you can get many. All right, now let's see what our shelves end up looking like and if they can support our elf. So Team V, we decided to merge our two structures together and we used Leo's big marshmallows as supports. Now can we put our elves on the shelf?
I think so.
Okay. There's one. All right. Yay! Our elves on the shelf. Marshmallow challenge. Whoop, gotcha! Let's do our handshake. Go for it, Leo.
Up, down. Wiggle, wiggle. Pop. Love ya, bye.